In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the valid parentheses coding exercise. At the top of the code, we will include the string and stack header files, since our program will be making use of these two data structures. Inside of the isValid function, we will create a stack of characters named opening delimiters. Then we will have a for loop that starts at int I equals 0, runs while I is less than s.length, and increments I by 1 each time. Inside of this for loop, we will check if s at index I is equal to an opening parenthesis, or curly brace, or square bracket. If so, we will push s at index I onto our opening delimiters stack. Else we know that the character we are on is either a closing parenthesis, curly brace, or square bracket. Inside of here, we will first check if the size of our opening delimiters stack is equal to 0, meaning it is empty. If that is the case, we will return false. After that, we will have a char variable named start that we set equal to opening delimiters.top. Next, we will pop the top element from the opening delimiters stack. Then we will create a boolean variable named isInvalid parentheses combo that we set equal to a boolean expression checking if s at index I is a closing parenthesis and start does not equal an opening parenthesis. After that, we will have a bool variable named isInvalid curly braces combo, which we set equal to a boolean expression checking if s at index I is equal to a closing curly brace and start does not equal an opening curly brace. Then we will have a bool variable named isInvalid square brackets combo that we set to a boolean expression checking if s at index I is equal to a closing square bracket and start does not equal an opening square bracket. If isInvalid parentheses combo or isInvalid curly braces or isInvalid square brackets combo are true, we will return false. At the bottom of the function, we will return the result of a boolean expression checking if opening delimiters.size is equal to 0. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.